miles on the bus. We drive around and bounce up and down. 2,000 miles on the bus we go. 2,000 miles on the bus we go. 2,000 miles on the bus. We drive around and bounce up and down. 2,000 miles on the bus we go. Wakey, wakey!
Super Cali.
B-O-U-E-B, rides the blue bus, it's fantastic. When someone puts their seat back, when my toilets smash my plastic. It is always really cramped with more fun than gymnastics. Yes, it's clear the blue bus has the best of all the tactics. Um-de-lily, 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 um-de-lily.
The next song. On
the blue bus, we don't talk much. We ain't got much to say. Cause we're sleeping, eating, singing. That's what we do every day.
Oh yeah.
And maybe we sleep all the time, but we don't really mind. Cause when we sleep the day away, the night comes out to play. Let's hear it for the bus. Never spend the day away. Let's hear it for the night time. We never come out to play. Oh, we can have a good old time, singing songs and making rhymes. Oh, 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 oh. Let's hear it for the bus, blue bus. Let's hear it for the bus.
Use the tone.
Swallow in Germany. But each time I got close, the seat began to spin. I guess this is just the reason why the man outside is charging €4 to get in. I'm used to toilets the American way, but now each time I flush, it goes down a different way. I'm used to toilet paper to use each day, and then in Italy, something changed in me. What I thought was something was of a day.
Your white looks like
Almost paradise. We're another way. Almost paradise. A refreshing spray. Makes me feel I want to stay another day. Your eyes are nowhere right. We're sleeping all day, doing laundry every night. We hang on all our clothes, but there's not to mold. My jeans are still wet, my socks are not dry. Makes me feel inside. Our clotheslines are closing in on us. I don't know why we get such a fuss. Maybe we should just tear down these towns and find some new clothes out in the next town. Next town! Josie drove the blue bus of Luxembourg. Josie drove the blue bus of Luxembourg. Driving on the highways of Europe. There was a sea, but we got sick. Driving on the highways of Europe, and we almost got hit 6 times. Josie drove the blue bus of Luxembourg. Josie drove the blue bus of Luxembourg. Driving on the highways of Europe, we got stopped by the cops. We never found out why we got stopped. Maybe they saw Terry. Josie drove the blue bus of Luxembourg. Josie drove the blue